to Color Rhymes. Today we're drawing a super cute apple, red, round, and juicy. Get your crayons ready and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss the fun. Did you know apples are super healthy? They help keep our bodies strong and give us lots of energy, just like a superhero snack. We're almost done with our drawing. Just a few more lines. I'm so excited to start coloring. I can't wait. Are you ready too? Time to color with red. It's bold, bright, and perfect for our juicy apple. Let's color it nice and smooth together. Red too? Red is the color of love and hearts. So sweet and warm. It's just perfect for our apple, don't you think? Our apple is looking so cute, right? If you're having fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a yummy drawing like this one. If you're having fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a yummy drawing like this one. Now let's use green for the leaves. Green is the color of nature and freshness. It makes our apple look even more real. Do you like the color green too? Our apple is all done and it looks amazing! Thanks for drawing with me, little artists. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. Bye-bye for now. See you soon!